Hello, this is Dennis Black. It is March 15th, and here is your sales tip of the week. As we have discussed in March, the critical nature of getting back out and re-engaging realtors prior to April and the busy home sale season beginning, it's important to understand the dynamic of one critical area, winning the call. When you engage with a realtor to reactivate a relationship or to start a new one, have this mental thought process in yourself as you make that call. Number one, the key to the call is the questions that you ask to uncover and create need in the agent's mind to work with you as a financial partner. If I consistently ask the right questions and uncover their issues, I have a chance to provide solutions. Number two, work on listening. And it's a subset of number two, the critical nature of taking notes. As I listen to the responses from the agent to the questions I ask, do not think ahead. Stay in the moment. Capture the essence of their response. Build off it if you need to open up further opportunities. But as you do that, work on improving your note taking. Note taking will make you better as a listener, and the notes are essential in this system of selling. The third avenue is to make sure that you bring in benefits when appropriate. As your call progresses, there'll be openings that you and your company can meet the realtor's needs, whether it be with a product, a process, a program, or most importantly, yourself. When that moment arises, let them know what you can do to meet that a need you've uncovered or created right there at that moment in time. Do not wait to the end to bring in benefits. Then we get to stage four, a critical component in this system of selling, a quality summary. Look at the notes that you've taken during your exchange, whether it be in person or on the phone, doesn't matter. Look at your notes. Now recap the key things that you took notes on that were relevant to meeting their needs and their requirements. Highlight those things and use their individual words. The two words you use the most in a summary are the words you and your. You mentioned this, here's where I could help you out. Your concern was in this area, here's what we offered as an alternative or solution. Let them know they said it, and most importantly, recap it so they are aware they communicated those needs to you. As you summarize this conversation, you're building the momentum to bring them from the beginning of the call with you now to the conclusion to the same point before you request action to be taken. Then as you request action, remember what we taught you before, the three most powerful words in sales. Once you've done your summary and you reviewed all the things you can do to meet their requirements, say based on that, the next step would be actually putting this into action and speaking to a client of yours, whether it be to prepare for an open house listing with the seller or to work with the buyer to get them pre-qualified. So the next step is to work together. Wouldn't you agree? Remember how to finish a call with strength and make sure you request action to be taken. By doing these steps on a regular basis, you will win more than you lose. Combine the first 2 weeks of advice we've given you in March with this, you're set to start to gain key relationships that you desire as you head into the busy home sale season starting in April. We'll finish off next week with the critical component of what requires a good, complete sales call, the importance of timely and effective follow-up. Good luck and good selling.